In the heart of a lush, green jungle, a talkative cockatoo named Chirpy lived. Chirpy was admired by all for his brilliant plumage and melodious voice. He loved to chat with the other animals, sharing stories and jokes, always eager to make friends. One day, Chirpy overheard a conversation between the wise old owl and the humble sparrow. The owl was sharing his wisdom about the importance of listening more than speaking. Chirpy, who was always talking, was intrigued. "Chirpy," the owl said, "listening is just as important as speaking. By listening, you learn, and by learning, you grow." Chirpy pondered over the owl's words. He realized that despite his gift of gab, he had rarely taken the time to truly listen to others. He decided to make a change and started to listen more. As Chirpy began to listen, he found that he learned more about the jungle and its inhabitants. He understood their struggles, their joys, and their dreams. He formed deeper connections with his friends, and they started to appreciate him more for his wisdom. One day, Chirpy found a young bird who was lost and afraid. The little bird was too scared to ask for help. Chirpy, who now knew the value of listening, approached the bird gently. He listened to the little bird's story, offering comfort and reassurance. The grateful little bird followed Chirpy back to his home, and the jungle was filled with laughter and song. Chirpy realized that his newfound skill of listening had not only enriched his life but also helped others. From then on, Chirpy became a beloved figure in the jungle. He continued to share his stories and jokes, but he also listened. He learned that speaking and listening were two sides of the same coin, and that both were necessary for true friendship and wisdom. And so, the moral of this story is, listen with your heart, for in doing so, you may not only learn but also help others. For true wisdom lies not just in the power of speech, but also in the art of listening.